Hello everyone, today we're unboxing phone Nokia 5. Nokia 5 smartphone was launched in February 2017. Phone comes with a 5.20-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1280 pixels. And runs on Android 7.1.1 Nougat operating system. The device is powered by a octa-core, 1.4 GHz Cortex-A53 processor paired with 2 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 3000 mAh. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 13MP camera and the front snapper is powered by a CMOS image sensor. This is Amir, let's unboxing Nokia. The rear of the device has a slight curve, as does the front, and they combine to make it a perfect fit in the hand. Thanks to the smaller 5.2-inch display, rather than the 5.5-inch panel on the Nokia 6.it, also far more manageable in one hand. The phone comes with a 5.20-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1280 pixels. The Nokia 5 is among the budget smartphones introduced by the Finnish handset makers. The device ships with basic hardware and is targeted towards regular smartphone users. To provide users with the latest Android experience, the Nokia 5 runs the Android 7.1.1 Nougat operating system out of the box. It's accompanied by 2 GB of RAM, and 16 GB of internal storage that can be expanded via the micro SD card slot. The 3000 mAh battery should easily give you a day of use, especially when you take into account the lower race display. The handset is charged via micro USB. The device is equipped with a 13-megapixel rear camera which is assisted with an LED flash for capturing images and videos even under low light. The device also comes with an 8-megapixel front-facing shooter which can be used for selfies and video calling. The Nokia 5 comes bundled with standard connectivity options which include 4G, Bluetooth 4.1, GPS, Wi-Fi 802.11b per gram, N, AC, and a Microsoft V2.0 port. The device is fueled by a Li-ion 3000 mAh battery which is expected to hold up for an entire day for a moderate user. The cheap and cheerful Nokia 5 doesn't impress in every area, but it's a good-looking device with clean software and an impressive design.